Looks interested. Is he on point, Linda?
He's smelling something. See, the wind's blowing that way, so he's,
Yep.
might be a bird that was there before.
Whoa, nice shooting, Zach. Quick response. Good job, Duke. Boy, that happened fast. That happened fast.